Hey, my friends, Danielle K. Howell here, your online success coach from youronlinesuccesscoach.com. And I want to talk about financial independence. Financial independence. So, are you financially independent? So what does financially independent mean? Do you have enough passive income to take care of you throughout retirement? Let me ask you that question again. Do you have enough passive income to take care of you throughout retirement? Now, right now, people are retiring much later. Why is that? Because they can't afford to retire. They can't afford to retire at the age that they can retire. So people are working longer. And the reason for that is more people now than ever before are spending more money than they have. Can you relate to that? Now, in my case, I'm an entrepreneur, right? I'm an entrepreneur and I pay cash for just about everything. And so when this opportunity, MyEcon was brought to me, I was like, wait a minute, this will give me an opportunity to use other people's money and create passive income, not only just for right now, but for my future, right? I don't retire. I'm not going to retire like most people at a job. I retire when I feel like it, right? So even that being said, you want to have enough money, cash flow passively through investments, right? You want to have your portfolio set up so that you can have financial independence and you will never have to worry about money no matter how old you are. How does that sound? Doesn't that sound fantastic? Doesn't that sound magnificent? Well, it does to me. And if you're like me and you want to grow your income, you want to create an income even while maybe you're at a job right now, right? Or maybe you are an entrepreneur. Maybe you're not making the amount of money that you want to make, but I'm offering you an opportunity to make money, more money, and to increase your cash flow and to claim your financial independence, and also to set up investments so that you can have passive income now and for your later years. I don't know about you, but this is exciting. So many people don't understand financial literacy, and I'm just excited that we have something here in place with MyEcon that you can use to better yourself, to empower yourself, and to learn how to create your income and your financial portfolio. So whether you're working at a job, this is going to help you. Whether you have an online business or a home-based business, this is going to help you. Whether you are a stay-at-home mom, this can help you. This is going to help everybody. This is something for everybody. And if you have credit score issues, it will also help you with your credit score. So to me, it's a win-win situation for everybody. So go ahead, if you want to be a part of my winning team, then go ahead and click the link down below. I am building my team out now as I speak. I just got started with this and I'm super excited about it. And I'm super excited to help you, to teach you, to show you how to market this business, and to share with you how you can claim your freedom and create your own economy. All right, my friends, click the link down below and let's rock and roll. Let's build this thing out. Let's help some people and let's get wealthy together. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.